Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where all trailer fuses are located on Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2014 to 2019. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them guys. Fuses, relays for the trailers, trailer brake control modules, trailer lights. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So the trailer fuses, where you can expect to find them, relays as well. Let's explain guys now on that generation Chevy Silverado here. By the way, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden different fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Silverado fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video guys that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do first, open the hood. When you open the hood on your Chevy Silverado guys, I want to show you here. Facing the engine, the main engine fuse box is here on the driver's side. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So this fuse box layout has been used for year 2018 and 2019. If you have a 2014 through 17, it will differ a little bit. Stay with us, we'll explain about both. Let's explain about 2018 to 19 first. The first thing that you will guys need to actually check today will be fuse number 1 guys. You see that fuse right here? That's known as fuse number 1. Always check that one. Then you need to check fuse number 2 right here. Very important fuse 2. After that we need to locate fuse number 14, 15, 16, 17. These are the main light fuses here that you will need to check. In addition, you will need to check relay 63 right there. If you have a 2014 through 2017, fuse number 1 and 2 are here. 1, 2. Then you have 14, 15, 16, 17 guys here as well, but that relay now it's known as relay 64. So those are the main fuses and relays that you need to check for the trailer lights, trailer brake control module on Chevy Silverado that generation guys. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.